everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner and welcome to my channel, welcome to my video. I'm so glad that you are here. If this is your first time joining me, please be certain to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and turn it black, tap the bell, and you will be notified every single time I upload a video. And all my videos are about women's fashion. So if you enjoy those types of videos, you're in the right place. Today I am doing part 2 of my Amazon Prime wardrobe. Amazon Prime wardrobe is a service that is offered to Amazon Prime members, but don't worry, you can still watch this if you're not a Prime member and you're not interested in being a Prime member, because all of the items that I'm showing you are available on Amazon to anyone. You don't need a Prime membership to get them. But for this service, the Prime wardrobe, you do have to be a Prime member. It's a try before you buy service, and it's awesome. Okay, if you look back, I will link all of my Prime wardrobe videos, and you can see in the very beginning when I started doing this, it was frustrating because it sometimes takes a while to get your cart filled. You'll see an item that you want to try, and when you select your size and your color preference, it's no longer Prime wardrobe eligible. So that can be frustrating. Patience is a necessity if you are using this service, but you can get 3 to 8 items in your box and they send it to you and it comes lickety split. It doesn't take any time to get to your door, and then you have 7 days to try everything on at home, decide what you want to keep, and return it. Postage is free with UPS, so you do have to drop it off at a UPS store, but I'm cool with that. I am really excited to share with you everything that I got. This has been the best Amazon Prime wardrobe that I have picked for myself. I'm a little bit proud right now because I am the stylist, and actually many of these items worked. So I am going to need your help because I really don't need to purchase everything in this box, because I have more boxes that need to be unboxed and more clothing that needs to be bought. So let me share all of the things I got. Part 2, I'll link part 1 if you missed it. So make sure you have some comparisons, and I might need your help. Item number 1, the Calvin Klein women's flare sleeve detail in soft white. And I picked this blouse up for $38.44. And this blouse retails for $79.50. I did check the website today, and the price on this blouse is $79.50. So I got this in a medium, and this is an ivory color. I don't know, maybe you can get it for $38 if you're a size medium as well, but I didn't go into all of that. I just looked at product details. So look at this beautiful bell sleeve, and it has that nice crochet detail on it, and it is a modest bell sleeve because I love sleeve detail, and I think this is very nicely done. Leave it to Calvin Klein to do it well. I was hoping it would be a little bit more exaggerated, but it's actually perfect. Then we have that nice V-neck, and the garment is lined. So I didn't have to wear a cami with it, and I didn't find it to be see-through. It's almost 100% polyester, so it is a very warm top, which will be perfect transitioning into the fall all the way into the winter. It's going to be a great layering piece, but also really cute with denim. So you're watching the try on. What do you think? I love this blouse, and I am most excited because I picked it up for $38. Score! I am on the hunt for affordable denim. So I found these. These are the Democracy Women's Absolution Booty Lift Jegging in indigo, and these are $49.99. I checked the website. They are still $49.99. These are in a very, very dark wash blue. I don't know if you can see it, if the camera will pick it up. Almost look black, and that was exactly what I was looking at. Look at the button on that. Isn't it nice? I think it's so nicely done. I also like these really wide belt loops. They have them in the back and just a regular size belt loop on the side. These have the elastic in the waistband, which I liked. They had that snapback waistline, and I have problems with my waist gapping. If I get my pants big enough to fit in the legs, they're often too big in the waistband, so I liked that. Now these are a 6-pocket denim. They have the 2 pockets in the back, 2 pockets in the front, and they work, and there's coin pockets on both sides. And I think they're a nice length on me. They have a lot of stretch in them. They're about, I think about 50–55% cotton. I really like these. I like that they are clean, that there's no distressing, that they are so dark. They fit really well, and I can use them with longer shirts and sweaters and not have that bulk around my middle or my waistband. And these are going to last several seasons because of the color and really clean cut. So $49.99, I'm impressed. This is the second pair of Democracy that I am purchasing. I'm impressed by this brand. It is very affordable and very well fitting for a curvy girl like me. This is the bag. This is the 9 West Hazel Satchel, and this is $57.89, and check it out, isn't it lovely? Okay, so I was drawn to it because of this quilted chevron pattern and also the color. I'm looking for a very neutral color, and this is lighter than the Vince Camuto bag that I tried yesterday, but I still like it. I think it can transition into fall, winter. Actually, I think this is a year-round bag. Aren't these little tulips with the chains in it? Isn't that cute? I love it. I like the gold hardware on it, and it's got pockets. On both sides, we have a pocket. Then we have the center, which opens up. There's pockets on both sides of it. We have a cross body strap, and there's an adjustable strap there. $57.89. Okay, one of the biggest differences with this bag from the Vince Camuto is this is not leather. This is, they said, man-made, with man-made materials. So this is a faux leather, but it feels really nicely done. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed with this bag, and I want to keep it. Can you see it's got the 9 West logo there? We've got some, just a very nice bag. There's quite a big discrepancy between the 2 bags that I'm trying in price. One is $200 and one is roughly $60. So this one's looking more and more attractive. But, oh, it does smell nice. It doesn't smell like leather, but it is a nice smelling bag. Boring. Basic black classic pumps. These are by 9 West. These are the Tatiana heeled pump in black, and they are leather. They are a 4-inch heel, which is different from the shoes I tried yesterday. Yesterday, the Calvin Kleins were only 3 inches, and let me tell you, the Calvin Kleins were much more comfortable. Part of it is this leather is a little bit stiff. Now, it wasn't rubbing my foot. I didn't feel like I was going to have any blisters, but it's a really, really structured leather. So, and it's also 4 inches high. That's exactly what I was looking for. But when I compare the two, I felt like these were not nearly as comfortable. These are $79. I believe on the website today, they were actually less than that. These shoes come in at least a dozen different colors. I do think that I need to wear them around a little bit more to decide if this is a shoe I want to buy. The price is right. $79 for a leather pump that's very classic like this. That's a great price. I just don't know if I am wowed by these. I was kind of wowed by the Calvin Kleins. This has been a fun haul for me. I'm very impressed with the items I was able to get this time, and I think I'm getting better at this as time goes on. So I will be doing another Amazon Prime wardrobe. Make sure that you're subscribed if you enjoy videos like this, because I don't want you to ever miss one, okay? It's always nice to have you here. I really enjoy your comments. Please let me know, which bag do you prefer, the Vince Camuto or the 9 West? Because I think I will probably buy one of these bags, but the good news is I don't have to decide right now. We'll wait for your comments and your feedback, because you guys always help me to make great informed decisions about the clothing and accessories that I purchase. So thank you once again for joining me. Could you give this video a thumbs up? It really helps a girl out, and I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I will see you in my next video. Blessings to you.